Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful photo frame. It's quick and easy to make and it's a perfect way to store your memories. So let's get started. So firstly, we're going to take a cardstock. So with the marker, we're going to draw a rectangle on the cardstock. So next, we are going to draw another rectangle inside the first rectangle which we had drawn. So we'll leave a little bit of room between the two rectangles. We'll leave a little bit of gap and then draw the second rectangle inside the first rectangle. So next we are going to cut out the outer rectangle with a scissor. So I'm going to cut the outer rectangle out. So next, we're going to cut the inside rectangle out from the cardstock. I'm going to cut the inside rectangle with the help of a paper trimmer. So I'm going to insert the inside rectangle into the paper trimmer and then cut it out. See, we have a frame for our photo frame. So next we are going to make a back cover for our frame so that we can slide our photo in and out from it. So we are going to make a back cover for it. So to make the back cover, we are going to place the frame which we had made just now, and we are going to trace the frame out on this cardstock. So with the marker, I'm going to trace the outside of the frame on the cardstock. So now we have our frame tracing on the cardstock. So now we are going to cut this tracing with a scissor. So here we have a card panel which would fit behind our frame. So next, we're going to apply glue on the three sides of the card panel, but leave one of the sides bare. So here I'm applying glue to the three sides of the card panel. So next, we're going to place the frame which we had cut earlier on the card panel which we had glued, and we're going to press it down firmly. So now we're going to cut out strips of pattern paper. We're going to stick the pieces on the frame of the photo frame. I'm going to cut out strips for our frame from this beautiful pattern paper. So next, I'm going to apply glue on the frame of the photo frame. I'm going to stick the pattern paper pieces on the frame. Next, we're going to slide in an acetate sheet into our photo frame so that it gives a pretty look to our frame. So I'm going to use this acetate over here, and I'm going to slide this in the top pocket of our photo frame. So here you can see it gives a nice photo frame like look. We can slide in our photos behind the acetate through this pocket over here. I've also added a pattern paper on the back of the photo frame as well. Next, we're going to make a stand for our photo frame. So we'll stick it on the back of the photo frame. So to make our stand, we're going to cut a piece of cardstock. So next, we're going to fold the piece of cardstock into half like so. I'm going to use a bone folder to sharpen the crease of the fold. So you should have a shape which looks something like this, like a triangle. Next, to give stability to our stand, we're going to cut another piece of cardstock. We're going to fold one of its edge a little bit downwards like so. We're going to do so with the other edge as well. Then we're going to fold the whole piece in half. So we should be left with the shape which looks something like this. We are going to wrap the two pieces of the stand with the pattern paper. I'm going to stick the M kind of a piece with onto the triangle shape piece. So this would make a complete stand and would give stability to the stand. So I'm going to apply glue on the side flaps of this piece. Then I'll stick this piece onto the triangle shaped piece like so. So here's our stand ready. So next we're going to stick the stand onto our photo frame. So I'm going to apply glue on the stand and then stick it onto the photo frame like. So here our photo frame is looking really pretty and it's almost completed. Next, I'm going to take this green colored washi tape and I'm going to apply this around the inside frame of the photo frame. Now for the fun part, we'll decorate it with some beautiful embellishments. So here you can see our photo frame is looking really pretty, and you can this is a perfect idea to gift it to someone or make one for yourself. It's ideal to display all your memories on it, and you can use this in portrait or landscape position. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and you can subscribe to my channel by clicking the button below the video, and also click the notification bell icon so that you never miss a video. Thank you for watching.